Welcome to our exploration of Onigiri, Japan's perfect portable meal. Discover its rich history, delicious recipes, and the best Konbini gems. This beloved comfort food is a must-try snack in Tokyo. Onigiri is a hand-shaped ball or triangle of Japanese short-grain rice, wrapped in crispy nori, filled with tasty ingredients. Unlike sushi, it lacks vinegar and raw fish. In 2026, Onigiri is gaining global popularity with specialty shops in major cities, yet its essence remains deeply rooted in Japan. Onigiri has a rich history spanning over 2,000 years. From the Yayoi period's hand-shaped rice clumps to the Kamakura period's samurai provisions, and the Edo period's nori wrapping. In 1978, 7-Eleven Japan revolutionized onigiri with factory-made versions. Today, over 5 billion onigiri are sold annually in Japan's convenience stores. Onigiri is simple to make at home. Use short-grain Japanese rice like koshihikari or calrose for stickiness. Wet hands with fine sea salt water before shaping. Use roasted yakinori seaweed sheets. Start with classic fillings like salmon, tuna mayo, umeboshi, or okaka bonito flakes. No special equipment needed. To shape your first onigiri, start by cooking rice and wetting your hands. Scoop rice, press into a triangle, and add filling. Wrap each onigiri in plastic to keep fresh, storing nori separately. Use gentle pressure to avoid dense or falling apart rice. Umeboshi filling is ideal for warm weather due to its preservative qualities. Welcome to the world of Konbini, where 56,000 locations nationwide offer onigiri at an average price of 150 yen. Major chains like 7-Eleven, Family Mart, and Lawson provide a variety of flavors, refreshed multiple times daily. As Tokyo's costs rise, Konbini onigiri remains an affordable, satisfying meal option. The 1-2-3 unwrapping method is a marvel of packaging engineering. It ensures the nori remains separate from the rice until opened, preserving that perfect texture. Simply pull 1 to tear the top strip, 2 to slide the right side, and 3 to slide the left. In 3 seconds, you're ready to enjoy. Explore classic onigiri flavors. Tuna mayo, a creamy favorite. Salmon, reminiscent of home with its grilled salted flakes. Umeboshi, a refreshing pickled plum. And mentaiko, spicy pollock roe with a surprising chili kick. Each offers a unique taste experience, beloved across Japan. Explore the wild side of Konbini exclusives. Discover nikumaki, rice wrapped in grilled pork belly with sweet soy glaze. Try teriyaki chicken with cheese for a unique twist. Indulge in premium ikura, luxurious salmon roe. Finally, savor yaki onigiri, grilled for a crispy, caramelized crust. Each offers a distinct taste adventure. In Japan, the debate over which konbini offers the best onigiri is intense. A popular method is to buy the same flavor, like tuna mayo, from all 3 major chains and compare. It's a fun, affordable activity. We recommend starting with 7-Eleven salmon, and then trying Lawson's Akuma no Onigiri. Explore regional onigiri styles. Tenmusu from Nagoya features a tempura shrimp, offering a crispy and iconic taste. Onigirazu, a nationwide favorite, resembles a sandwich with rice between nori sheets. Hokkaido's bomb onigiri is oversized, packed with fillings, and a complete meal in itself. Onigiri is a cultural journey, not just a snack. Experience the art of perfect rice, explore konbini flavors, and embrace the tradition of hand-shaped food. Whether trying new flavors or making your own, you're part of a rich, millennia-old tradition. Welcome to the world of onigiri.